Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is officially website gigabyte.com, and then right inside you can see this is search tab. To enter your model number B86 Gaming X WIFI6E, then hit enter. Click on product, then click on title. This is your motherboard, so click on support. Then select your operating system which is required. So if you are using any Windows 10 11, because installations process same, driver same. Okay, Bluetooth driver, see this is Intel Bluetooth driver, and click to download. Just start downloading. Then it is done. Bluetooth driver, and just open and double click to exe. And then yes, now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is closed, means this is installed.